avoid the reused content by all means. If you're a content creator and your channel has been demonetized or you have been rejected from YouTube Partner Program, you need to follow this video. This is the only video you need to know about reused content and all you should do to avoid the reused content and get monetized. And actually, if you have been kicked out of YouTube Partner Program, then in this video I'm gonna share with you what you can do so that next time when you reapply, then you can get monetized. And of course, if you are seeing that option of appeal, because when you are rejected from YouTube Partner Program, or if your channel has been demonetized, they give a chance, YouTube gives you a chance so that you can appeal. And if they can again go through your channel and they review, if they find maybe they demonetize their channel by like mistake, which usually doesn't happen. Most of the times when YouTube demonetize your channel, it means your channel, if it has reused the content, then of course it's gonna demonetize you most of the times when you have really done so. But for some occasions, in sometimes they may demonetize your channel by mistake. You never know, because they're also human beings. But if they give you that chance of appealing, then you can go ahead and appeal. And I'm gonna share different tips on how you can do, then you avoid the reused content. And if you're planning to apply for monetization, then I'm gonna advise you what you can do so that you avoid the reused content on your YouTube channel. By the way, I'm Emmanuel and I'm a content creator. So if you're new here on this YouTube channel, we help different content creators, YouTubers, and of course anyone who makes YouTube videos can refer to this channel, can come to this channel and learn more tips and YouTube growth kind of videos. So that is what I share on this YouTube channel. So welcome to Content Creator YouTube channel. Let's dig into video. To avoid the reused content, actually recently I watched one of the interviews from the employee of YouTube. He was asked how content creators like us, like me, how we should avoid reused content, what we should do so that our channel should be free or should not be suspended or rejected from YouTube Partner Program. So in simple terms, he gave advice. He said that if you wanna prevent all these things from happening, your channel being demonetized or rejected from YouTube Partner Program, or being suspended, or your channel being denied into YouTube Partner Program, he said that you have to make your original content. You have to make your original videos, because YouTube loves originality. So you have to be creative. But if you find yourself like those like news channels, if you are like a content creator who finds him or herself using other people's videos or clips, he said actually that you need to find your own spin. You need to add some commentary on your videos. But before I dig into that, some of content creators, like some of new small channels, may think or may not understand what reused content is. Actually, what is reused content, and when did you find it on your YouTube channel, by the way? So reused content in simple terms is when a content creator tries to monetize videos and contents which don't belong to them. It's like when you use other people's content or clips, like you may use featured clip from a television, but it doesn't belong to you. You don't have the ownership. You're not the one who got camera and recorded the video. So if you find yourself using other people's footages and clips in your videos, you have to be very creative, because that YouTube employee actually is in charge of monetization. He oversees monetization. He makes sure that actually content creators are paid well. Those who really deserve rewards, as they earn money from AdSense or ad revenue. So he's in charge of all those. So he explained that if you use featured content or featured clip from other content creators or from television, then you need to find your own spin. You need to add your uniqueness. You have to make those videos to look unique, than to be unique from where you got those clips or those videos. And he went ahead and said that if you are that kind of a content creator, like a news channel, by the way, I have got a friend, he makes updates and news kind of stuff. I may link his channel in the video description. But his channel is doing amazing, and he just gets some clips and of course adds some value. He has got great techniques in video editing, so he edits them well. He adds overlay. There is a way he said that even that YouTube employee he talked about, actually how you can made some, you can find your own spin, you can add some angles when you're editing. There are those editors online, and even you know them. When you watch different videos on YouTube, you can see there are some editors or content creators who get a video and then they make like actually they find actually like they animate video in 3 dimension. You find they add cool transitions, they add some overlay special effects, like those kind of black white kind of effects. You have to find your own spin, then you make the video unique. I've had some content creators, when I was making research, that to avoid the reused content, you can use the 3-second rule or 4 seconds. Actually, when they bring in those kind of rules, it's like those tricks and editing kind of skills that you can cut like you can use a clip of 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds, but don't overuse other people's clips. And of course, using other people's videos, it's a very risk, because you are using other people's content, and when you apply for monetization, I'm sorry, your channel may be rejected from YouTube Partner Program. You may be denied to when you're applying for monetization. And even if when you're monetized, there are those who get monetized and think, oh, YouTube is no longer caring about my channel. YouTube is caring everything, is checking. They have got a system, it scans, it checked. So if they detect that you are using other people's content and they're trying to monetize other people's videos, then I'm sorry, your channel is gonna be demonetized. That is harsh truth, but you should know that, and you should avoid reused content on your channel by all means. Actually, I've had different YouTubers asking me, actually, how can we avoid the reused content? And YouTube employee has made it even clear, and is the right person to ask, because they are like working on YouTube on a daily basis, and they oversees the different content creators. So he's like the right person to ask. And he said it's very simple. You have to find your uniqueness. You have to make your videos original, and if you use other people's scripts, you have to find your own spin, then you make them unique. You have to add those editing tricks. He said that if you are making videos like from other people's clips, maybe you have combined them, you have to add commentary, you have to make like a voiceover, you add it to those videos you are using from other creators, which is, and it is actually difficult, but he said that you have to make a lot of modification, and that a lot of modification remains in the hands of YouTube team, especially those in charge of monetization. Because when you make, for you may think as a creator that you have modified the video and you are making it your own, it is unique from other creators. But once YouTube detects that your video is similar to other creators on the platform, and they're the ones who made those content before you, your channel, that's like a red flag. Your channel may be you demonetized, or may not be accepted into YouTube Partner Program, because you are like monetizing other people's content, which YouTube doesn't allow that, because YouTube Partner Program is designed to protect content creators and of course also viewers. Because when you keep posting similar videos on the platform from other creators to YouTube channel, viewers get confused, like which is which. You are like confusing viewers, and you are like scamming, or you are like confusing people on the YouTube platform. So, and of course it hurts creators, those YouTubers who made videos, those ones who made that video which is original. If you monetize them and you find maybe your video is even getting more traffic than them, because maybe your thumbnail tricks and the title, they feel not happy because you are monetizing or you're using their content. So YouTube encourages making your own videos, making original content. So he said, make your original content. You can just record videos like I'm doing. You can use your phone or your computer or your camera, and then you start making videos. But so long as you make videos that add value to the community on YouTube platform, and of course if you make like educational videos, videos that inspire people, videos that entertain people, your channel is gonna grow and you're gonna get monetized. So avoid by all means reuse the content. Follow those tips, you're gonna get monetized fast. So long as you don't have your reuse the content, you have to know YouTube community guidelines. You, of course, if you use other people's scripts, your channel may even get or receive a strike. And when you get a strike, you are not allowed to apply for monetization. So be careful with all those. And if you find yourself in a trap of using other people's scripts, make sure you do that. You add the commentary. That YouTube employee also advise that you can even make different kind of editing angles. By there you can try to add the captions or text, because there are different editing softwares and mobile apps that can help you to achieve that, like CapCut can help you. You can use InShoot to make better thumbnail. You can use Canva. There are a lot of softwares outside which can help you to make your content more original, and you find your own spin on that, then you become successful. Hopefully you will avoid reuse the content on your channel, then get monetized, make money. And if you got a question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. And if your channel is demonetized and because of reuse the content, actually I've got a friend, he claims that he can help you to appeal. If you are in appealing process, he can help you, and hopefully your channel gets back into YouTube Partner Program. But it's very rare when a channel has been demonetized for use the content. Even if you appeal, sometimes you may get into YouTube Partner Program back again, but you may also reject it, and you're gonna, of course, if you got a problem with your videos, if YouTube tells you you have raised the content, the most challenge here, they won't tell you that it is maybe this video that is causing reuse the content, because even if you use other people's video, then you upload it to YouTube channel, then YouTube is gonna actually detect you as you have erased the content, and they won't tell you which videos that maybe you can delete it. But go ahead, if you got this problem, go ahead, which is a bad kind of sign, or it's bad and bad practice to delete videos. But go ahead and delete those videos where you see reuse the content, or those videos you suspect that you got, they are not yours, you didn't record them. You have to delete them, then you make your own videos, then you delete those ones which contain other people's content. You have to delete them, which is harsh truth. Then after deleting them, keep making your own content, keep posting, keep coming to this channel. By the way, you can click one of the video here on the screen, then you get more tips and tricks on how you can grow on YouTube, make better content, become successful, monetize your channel, make money, and thank me later. So that is how you can avoid the reused content. I love you guys. I'm Emmanuel. I help different content creators to grow their YouTube channel, to make better videos, better content, and become successful on the platform. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Click here.